See you guys, my name is Kumar, you are watching me. Let's start today's video without having any further delay. So basically this video is going to be routine of 29th July 2025 and today is Tuesday. Also this video is going to be routine of day 601 days of routine video, right? So basically in this video I'm gonna say you like what is actually happening in my throughout the whole days of routine video. So let's start. Basically today first of all I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth, then basically after that I had taken bath, then after that I wore clothes, and after that I studied, right? Then after some time later I drink Pepsi, right? Basically there is a one thing I want to say to you at the end of the video regarding Pepsi, right? So after that I studied, then after that I ate food, then after that I talked to my father, right? Then I after that I talked to my mother, right? Then at the time at the time of evening I went outside with my parents and sister. Then after some time later we came home, right? After some time later came home. Then after that I ate food, then after that I studied, then after some time later I went to the Tuesday market with the sister. Then after that I came home, then after that I drank coffee, then after that I wrote previous day's routine video, and after that I studied. Then basically uh, and basically in today's night I did not went for the sleep just because I was studying, right? So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's reading video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever I like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner, right? So let's start. So basically from today's video I'm gonna start the chapter income under salaries, right? So basically what we have done actually to the previous basics of taxation, then second is residential status. Now I'm gonna start the chapter third chapter, also the first half of the income salaries, right? So income under salaries, let's start. This chapter is gonna be one of the big chapter, right? So let's start. So uh, just a moment. First of all I'm gonna start from the hard copy notes, right? From the which is a part of book, right? Not my handmade notes, right? Also simultaneously I will also use my handmade notes, right? So let's start. So the chapter 3, that is income under salaries, right? So let me use my highlighter as well. So basic elements of salary, okay? Payer and payee must have employer and employee. Basically subordinate and superior relationships would be exist to get the salary. Payee and payee must have employer and employee, master and servant relationships, right? And payment must have been made by the employer in such capacity, okay? So yes, this is just a kind of salary definition. What is actually basically whatever the thing, whatever, if more than, I think that more than 95% who is working is just for salary, right? Maybe, I think so, right? So some noteworthy examples: a teacher receives emoluments in kinds from a school in which he teaches. That is also a kind of it is taxable as salary, because it is they are giving these services, maybe, I think so. A teacher of a college receives fees from a university for checking answer sheets. I don't think this is a part of salary. It is not taxable as salary, as employer employee relationship does not between payer and payee, okay? Colleagues teacher is not the employee of the university, okay? Such receipts shall be taxable under the head income from other sources. It is taxable as from the income under other sources, right? A payment made to the member of the parliament or the state legislature, okay, this is also not taxable. It is not taxable as salary. As employer-employee relationship does not exist. Okay. A member of the parliament or a state legislature is not treated as employee, government employee. Payment received by them shall be taxable under the head income from other sources. This will also be counted, right? Now, salary received by a partner from its firm, it is also not a part of salary, right? So basically, why not taxable as salary? Because there is no employer-employee relationship between the firm and the partner. Such salary shall be taxable under the head PGBP. Salary received by proprietor from his proprietorship firm. Okay, so it is also not an income, just because a proprietor and proprietorship firm are the same person and no one can earn from himself. Remuneration to director, this will be sometimes it will be counted as taxable as from salary, but only when director sitting fees they were charged from his company can be treated as salary only if the director is employee of the company, otherwise the same shall be taxable under the head income from other sources. Note, director sitting fee is taxable under the head income from other sources, right? Director sitting fee, as I already told. Right. Now, pension received by the widow or legal heir or deceased employee is not taxable as salary, as no employer-employee relationship exists between payer and payee. However, such amount shall be taxable under the head income from other sources. Okay. Remuneration received by judges. Okay, this will also not counted as tax. This is okay. Wait, remuneration received by judges is taxable under the head salary, even though they are not having any. Yes, okay. So that's why I want to say that remuneration received by judges is taxable, right? Remuneration received by judges is taxable, but my point is that the judges are not counted as employer, right? Employer. They, even though are not having any employer, they don't have any employer. Judges don't have any employer, right? Now, the second point, this is all what I actually discuss about some net worthy examples of salary, right? So this is the point what I have discussed today. Now, foregoing of salary, surrender of salary. Now this is the 2 points. Okay, I think I can use pen better than the highlighter, right? So yes, so one salary accrues, the subsequent waiver by the employer does not release from liability to income tax. Such waiver is only an application to salary income, hence chargeable to. However, if an employee surrenders his salary to the central government under section 2 of the voluntary surrender of salaries exemption from taxation act 1961, the salary so surrendered would be exempt while computing his taxable income. Okay, so basically I remember that I returned a note, handwritten note regarding this foregoing of salary taxable. In Hindi I have written it here, that is, अपनी इच्छा से सैलरी एम्प्लॉय ने एम्प्लॉयर को दिया तो ये पूरा टैक्सेबल होगा. So that means the employer gave his salary to their what we can say to their own wish, because right, if employee want to give their salary to their own decision, so that will be taxable. When an employee voluntarily अपनी इच्छा से, in Hindi here is I have written अपनी इच्छा से, voluntarily gives up the right to receive salary before it becomes due. When an employee voluntarily gives up the right to receive salary before it becomes due, it is called foregoing or waiver of salary. It will be taxable. Foregoing of salary, it will be taxable. It will be taxable, of course. So let me write it here. Voluntarily gave his salary before due, so this will be taxable. Now surrender of salary, that is in Hindi I have it written here, एम्प्लॉय ने सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को सरेंडर कर दिया, उस पर टैक्स एग्जम्प्ट होगा. ओके, Okay, surrender of salary is non-taxable. Surrender to government. If an employee surrenders his salary to the concerned government under Section 2 of the voluntary surrender of salaries exemption from Taxation Act 1961, uh, surrender to central government, non-taxable. So this is all what is actually all about the income under the heads of salaries, right? So this is all, not all the things about income under salaries. There is two things what I have discussed in today's video regarding examples and foregoing of salary versus surrender of salary. This is all, guys, what has actually happened. So, and the remaining portion I would like to discuss through the upcoming videos. So this is all, guys, what is actually happened. So I think it is all enough for today, guys. So let's end the video, guys. See you all. Bye bye.